This component here is your expansion tank. This component here is your pressure cap. This component here is your expansion line. Now this is your engine mount. Now why do cars need engine mounts? Engine mounts are designed to attach the engine and gearbox to the chassis of the car. You got two to hold the engine and transmission up, and one to stop it rocking back and forward. This is one of your recharge points for your air conditioning system. This is your washer fluid cap. This is your other recharge point for your air conditioning system. This is your main coolant line that leads to your engine from the expansion tank. This is one of your wiring harnesses, and this is the fastener that attaches it to the body. Down here you got a service location where you can open up to access the interior of the headlight. This is another area where you can access the interior of the headlight. This is your drive system that controls the aim of your headlights. Now this location here is where you would find serial numbers for the engine and the internal code for the engine. This is your pipe that leads from your intercooler to your throttle body. This is your tensioner. Now a tensioner is used to keep the drive belt system in tension. This is your alternator. Now the alternator is used to charge up your 12-volt battery when the engine is running. This is your flexible pipe that leads from the intercooler to the outlet of the compressor housing. This is your heat shielding that covers the turbine housing of the turbocharger. This is your banjo bolt. And this is the outlet of the compressor housing. This is your positive crankcase ventilation hose. This is your pipe that leads from the inlet of the compressor housing to your air filter. Now this is your mass airflow sensor. The airflow sensor is used to measure the quantity of air that is entering the engine. Because of the lack of vacuum that is generated in a diesel engine, the vacuum pump is used to create a vacuum for vacuum-powered systems like your power brakes and other vacuum-powered systems. Behind this cover, you've got your positive terminal for the battery. You've got a plastic cover that is surrounding the battery. This is an electronic control unit. This is your electrical connector for your engine control unit. This is one of your tabs that are used to hold down the connector. This is one of your fuse and relay boxes. In this location here, you've got your brake fluid reservoir and brake fluid cap. This is your master cylinder. These are your two brake lines that leads to your ABS modulator. Now this is your power brake booster. The power brake booster is to provide power assistance for your braking system. This is your radiator. Now also in this location you can see your bonnet latch system. In this location here you can see your coolant pipe that leads from your radiator to the engine. You can also see your cooling fan and DC motor. This is your valve cover. This is your oil filler cap. This is your cam cover. This is your throttle body. Now the throttle body in a diesel engine is not connected to your accelerator control, but instead is used to enhance EGR efficiency and also is used to make the shutdown of the engine more smoother. This is one of your electrical connectors for one of your fuel injectors. This is the fuel injector itself, and you can see your return lines for your fuel injector system. This is your fuel filter. Now the fuel filter is used to get rid of any debris and water from the fuel. There is also pipes leading to other parts of the fuel system. This is your air filter cover. Thank you very much for watching my video and goodbye.